Welcome to Intriguing Facts channel, the place where the natural world becomes more mysterious the closer you look. Today, we're diving into the strange and often unexplainable behaviors of animals, creatures we think we know, but whose secrets continue to surprise scientists and explorers alike. Let's begin in the ocean with one of the most intelligent and social creatures on Earth, dolphins. These marine mammals communicate using a series of whistles and clicks, and scientists have discovered that each dolphin appears to have a unique whistle, like a personal name. Even more fascinating, dolphins seem to call each other by these names, responding when their specific whistle is heard. This suggests a highly complex communication system that could resemble language in some form. But here's the mystery. Despite decades of research, we still don't understand the full scope of their vocalizations. Are they just signals, or are they forming full sentences we simply can't decode? Now let's head to land, and to one of the largest, most emotionally complex animals on Earth, the elephant. These giants are known to perform what appear to be death rituals, gently touching the bones of deceased family members with their trunks. They've been observed returning to the sites of death long after the body is gone. They pause, touch the bones, and even appear to grieve. Some stay by the remains for hours or even days. While many animals respond to loss or absence, few behave in such a consistent and ceremonial way. What does this say about their understanding of life and death? Scientists aren't sure. Is it memory, emotion, culture? There's no definitive answer yet, just the quiet, haunting image of elephants gathered around the bones of their fallen. Moving from land to sky, we find yet another marvel in the form of migratory birds. Many species travel thousands of kilometers to return to the exact same nesting grounds each year, often crossing continents. They do this with astonishing precision, despite never having been there before. How? One leading theory is that birds can sense Earth's magnetic field, essentially having a built-in compass. Even more strangely, some evidence suggests they may actually see magnetic fields using specialized proteins in their eyes, called cryptochromes. But the full process isn't understood. How do these tiny birds perform such epic migrations, generation after generation, without maps or training? Even with tracking technology and neurological studies, the mechanism behind this magnetic sense remains one of nature's great unsolved puzzles. Speaking of migration, let's talk about monarch butterflies. These delicate insects undertake a journey that spans up to 4,000 kilometers from Canada and the US all the way down to central Mexico. But no single butterfly makes the full round trip. It takes multiple generations to complete the migration cycle, with some born in one country and dying in another. Yet, the butterflies always find their way to the same mountain forests, a place they've never seen, guided by a map encoded somewhere in their DNA. Scientists still don't fully understand how this instinct is passed down. Is it genetic memory, environmental triggers, something entirely unknown? It's one of the most beautiful, yet baffling migrations in the insect world. From butterflies to brains, let's talk about the octopus. This ocean dweller is like no other. It has 3 hearts, blue blood, and most of its neurons aren't even in its head, they're in its arms. Octopuses can solve puzzles, open jars, escape enclosures, and even recognize individual people. Their intelligence rivals that of many mammals, yet they're invertebrates, evolutionary outliers. To make things stranger, some scientists say octopus genes appear wildly different from those of other animals, leading to speculation about their origins. No, octopuses aren't aliens, probably, but their biology is so unique that we still don't understand how they evolved such complex intelligence independently. And then there's this. Octopuses can edit their own RNA, meaning they can change how their genetic code is expressed in real time. That's not something most animals can do. So what do they know, and how do they know it? the mystery continues to deepen. Back on land, cats, especially domestic ones, have long been associated with mystery. But in care homes and hospices, a strange phenomenon has been recorded. Some cats seem to sense when a person is about to die. They'll suddenly curl up beside someone they've never shown interest in before, and within hours, that person passes away. It's happened too often to dismiss. Could cats be detecting subtle chemical changes in the body, or is it a behavioral cue we humans don't notice? No one knows for sure, but the phenomenon has sparked interest and unease in equal measure. Now for something that sounds like science fiction but is pure biology, the Alaskan wood frog. In the brutal northern winters, this small frog freezes completely solid. Its heart stops, its breathing halts. But come spring, it thaws out and hops away like nothing happened. It's a real-life case of suspended animation. Scientists have identified certain proteins and sugars that protect the frog's organs from damage during freezing, but the full system is still not understood. How can complex tissues and cells survive total freezing without decay? If we understood this fully, it could revolutionize human medicine. Now let's swim with a creature that has ruled the oceans for hundreds of millions of years, the shark. One of the more persistent legends is that sharks don't get cancer. While that's not entirely true, they do have remarkably low rates of cancer and other age-related diseases. They also age slowly and heal quickly from wounds that would be devastating to other fish. Researchers are studying shark cartilage and DNA to understand these traits, hoping to apply them to human medicine. But the answers are still elusive. Why do these ancient animals resist disease so effectively? The truth remains hidden beneath the waves. That brings us to the end of today's journey through the unexplained and the unbelievable. From dolphins with personal names to frogs that freeze themselves solid, nature holds more mysteries than we can count. Some of these may be solved with future research, others may never be fully understood. But one thing is certain, animals continue to surprise us in ways both magical and mind-bending. If you enjoyed this exploration of the strange and wonderful world of animal mysteries, don't forget to like the video and share it with your fellow curious minds. And if you'd like to keep diving deeper into the unknown, hit that subscribe button and join us for more episodes of Intriguing Facts Channel, where every creature has a secret and every mystery begs to be explored. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.